Advisory is not just about numbers, it's about understanding people, their dreams, and their tomorrow. After mastering the foundation in Level 1, it's time to move beyond advice into complete financial mastery. The NISM 10B Investment Advisor Level 2 certification, presented by iCapital Academy, empowers you to become a holistic wealth planner ready to design strategies that protect, grow, and transfer wealth with precision. Established in Mumbai in 2020, iCapital Academy and Corporate Advisory LLP is one of India's leading financial education and advisory institutions. We specialize in NISM certifications, capital market programs, and advanced advisory training offered in classroom, online, and self-paced modes. Driven by industry veterans, iCapital Academy combines technical expertise with practical insights, helping professionals gain regulatory depth and real-world confidence to excel in finance. The NISM, the National Institute of Securities Markets, established by SEBI in 2006, stands at the core of India's financial competence framework. Through its globally recognized certifications, NISM ensures that every professional in the capital market operates with knowledge, integrity, and ethics, upholding trust in India's fast-growing financial ecosystem. The NISM 10B Investment Advisor Level 2 certification is designed for professionals who wish to go beyond advice into full-spectrum financial planning. It's where theory meets practice, integrating every pillar of wealth creation, risk protection, taxation, and behavioral insight. This advanced certification shapes professionals capable of guiding clients through every financial milestone, from the first investment to retirement and legacy transfer. Through this examination, candidates gain deep insight into insurance planning and risk management, learning to protect client wealth through structured coverage solutions. You'll explore retirement planning in detail, from government-backed schemes to market-linked annuities, building strategies that ensure post-retirement stability. You'll understand the role of estate planning tools like wills and trusts, along with taxation frameworks for securities and investment products. And you'll master behavioral finance, understanding the emotions and biases that drive investment decisions, enabling you to provide advice that's not just logical, but human. Certification is ideal for individual investment advisors, principal officers, persons associated with advisory services, wealth managers, and financial planners, all seeking advanced proficiency under SEBI's Investment Advisor Regulations 2013. The exam features 90 multiple-choice questions and 6 analytical caselets completed in 3 hours. It totals 150 marks, requiring 60% to pass, with 25% negative marking per incorrect answer. This is where analysis meets ethics, where your advisory skill earns its certification. Register today or join our financial learning community. Advance your career, strengthen your expertise, and lead with integrity as a certified NISM 10B professional.